situation remains very tensed in Manipur, and new AFSWA have been reimposed in 6 new Thana areas of Manipur, which includes Jiribam. Now, this is a very important step taken by the central government, because AFSWA was in all these Thanas, the AFSWA was withdrawn, but then again it has to be reimposed with the present situation that is going on. That is responsible for this. That's what we are getting it from our sources in center. Also, the 6 people, 3 children and 3 women who were missing from the first day when problems started in Jiribam, on the day when the CRPF camp was attacked, and then when the CRPF camp was attacked by militants at that point of time, they went for a retaliation, and 40 to 45 minutes firing when one of the officers got injured, and then later he succumbed, and one of the Jawans, he later succumbed, all resulting which 10 people, 10 militants were gunned down. That's what we are getting it from the sources. And then the situation still remains to be tensed. In one side, the Hamar Kuki, they are saying that they were village volunteers, and the firing started from the CRPF. But on the other hand, the CRPF sources are saying that there was an attack on the camp, and the 2 bulletproof cars, they were standing outside. Retaliation started from there, and huge arms and ammunition have been recovered. So the point of this village volunteers does not stand. But now that the AFSWA has been reimposed in all these areas in the 6 thanas, this means that the total control will again go to the forces. So till now there has been no untoward incidents, but intermittent firing are going on in various places. Situation remains very tense. The center and the state, they're looking into the matter, and round-wise meetings are going on. Both the Manipur police, the CRPF, the forces, they are all working together. But the fact is, no hostage call has still come regarding this 6 missing. And for that, the Meitei population is also becoming very angry. So what happens to them? That is a big question.